It's time to learn this Elvis Presley song all in under 5 minutes. Let's go.
If you find your sweetheart in the arms of a friend, that's when your heartaches begin. When dreams of a lifetime must come to an end, that's when your heartache begins.
Elvis was the master of the 12-bar blues rock and roll songs, those corny but catchy musical songs, and of course love ballads. So if you're an Elvis fan, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, because this is part of an Elvis song lesson mini-series I'm bringing you, featuring some of those cool Elvis songs that you won't find elsewhere on YouTube. Well, I'm on a 5-minute promise, so let's get started with the foundational strum to this song. So let's get out of the studio and go where we both belong, and that is, let's go find a campfire. Okay, the basic strum to this song is a down, down, down block, down, down, down block. I'll start it on the A. Down, down, down block, down, down, down block. And next we're going to extend the strum with a couple more down strums. Let me show you. That's when your heartaches begin. So you can hear what I'm doing there. Down, 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 block, down, 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 block, down, down. Right, let's check out the recipe to this song right now. Don't forget to download the free song sheet. The links are below. That'll got the chords and the lyrics, everything you need to know how to practice this song and to play it. And while you're there, grab the link to my free songbook, 50 Epic Campfire Guitar Songs. You've got an instant repertoire when you download that song. So the original key to the song was B flat, but I'm playing it in the key of A major, only because it sort of suits my voice better. And I reckon the chords are a little bit easier. Now I'm going to show you the chords, but don't forget I'm a left-hand guitarist playing on a right-hand strung guitar, so my finger patterns may appear upside down to you. Don't let that worry you, because I'm going to put the chord patterns there and you can just follow along. Okay, the chords are an A, a C sharp, a D, a D minor, an E, an F sharp minor, and a B. So there's quite a few chords, and if bar chords are your Achilles heel, check out the link above, because that is a video that breaks down bar chords and makes it really easy for beginners to master bar chords. Now in terms of singing ability, using my patented Patreon singing ability rating system,
I reckon you need to be shower singer to sing this song. Not a huge range, so give it a go.
Right, let's do the verse now. The best way is for me to demonstrate it to you. If you A to a C sharp, sweetheart to a D, arms, D minor transition, friend, A, that's to an E, when you're heartache, back to the A, begin, D. When you want to transition from the second verse to the chorus, you go A to an A7, like this. That's when you're heartache, that's A, begin, E, D, A, A7, straight into the chorus. Love between two C sharp to the F sharp minor can never be shared. Another bar chord, the B, when you bring a friend to an E. Now I'm going to just break this down. It goes E, F, E, right? I'll just play it first. E, F, E, and then this E augmented, which I'll show the chord pattern up on the screen there. It sounds like this. It's a beautiful sound. So that is the entire building blocks of the song, folks. So if you got value from that, don't forget to subscribe below, because I'm bringing you more Elvis songs over the next few weeks. Hey, thanks for watching again, folks. I'll see you next week.